Christopher Polvoorde already out in front.
Well, we're here in Crandon, Wisconsin, and we just went 7 for 7. Perfect season started off here, and we just ended it here. I mean, I'm shaking right now. It's been unreal, and first Pro Lite championship. This is something I've dreamed of since I was a little kid, so it's awesome. Got to thank my whole team, my whole family, STEEL-IT, TIS Wheels, General Tire. This has been unreal, and I couldn't do it without everyone who supports me. Woo!
Crandon is like the holy grail of off-road racing. It's where it started. It's over 50,000 fans. It's our fastest race. And I mean, you're going over 100 miles an hour and you're going 10 wide off these massive jumps. It's crazy. And I know if I had to be at one place all year, it'd be Crandon off-road. One of the number one questions I get is, why does my team use STEEL-IT? We use STEEL-IT because we can save so much time. We're living on the road, we're bouncing from racetrack to racetrack, and then when we're at the racetrack, we only have a few minutes before each session. Once we hop off the track, we're going right back out. And STEEL-IT allows us to clean the truck really quick, glance over it, and if there is a crack or something that needs to be welded on, we're able to weld directly through the product and then go right back onto the track, which that makes our lives so much easier.
Well, we just finished up Crandon. This is 8 for 8. 8 wins in here at Crandon and 8 wins for our series. World championship in the Midwest. Honestly, I'm speechless right now. It's like not even real. Like, that was one of the gnarliest races of my life. Some really close calls, and we're going so fast, and the track was so gnarly. So stoked to be here and safe. And thanks to STEEL-IT for putting all this on, and to General Tire and TIS Wheels. It's been a fun season. I'm looking forward to what's to come.
Woo! Clean sweep, baby! Clean sweep!
I'm Christopher Polvoorde. I'm your 2019 Pro Lite Crandon World Champion. Woo!